If you're searching for that one person who will change your life forever, look in the mirror. If you're searching for that one thing, that one trick or hack, the one secret that will give you the life you want, stop and instead look in the mirror. You are the only person who can create the life you want. It's not anyone else's responsibility. It's yours. There are some people who live by this principle, but the reality is most people won't take that responsibility. Most people would sooner make excuses than look in the mirror. The problem is always out there. It's never in here. These are the same people who spend more on lotto tickets than they do their own personal development. They spend more on diet pills than they do on health food. They spend more time complaining about the reasons they can't succeed than they do working for the possibility that they can succeed. It's always someone else's fault. Earl Nightingale said it best. We are all self-made, but only the successful will admit it. We're all self-made in our health, fitness, and physical shape, but only the fit will admit it. We're all self-made in the joy we experience every day, but only those who are happy will admit it. We are all self-made financially and in every other sense, but only those who like where they are will admit it. If I want a better life, I'm not going to sit around and wait for the government to change the rules. I'm going to get out there and work for that better life. I'm going to learn what steps I can take, and I am going to take those steps. Step by step, I will climb until I get where I intend to go. It's never easy, but it is very straightforward, and it is always worth it. I work on myself. I improve. I learn more. I improve. I never give up. I grow stronger. And that new, improved, stronger version of me creates better results than the old version of me. I find a way. I find a way to create the life I want. If I want a better body or better health, I know a prescription is not going to give it to me. I know I can't get it from an infomercial. The only way I can get it is through my own work and my own self-discipline. I am the only person who can create the life I want. There is no one else that will ever want it as bad as I want it. It's up to me and me alone. And I wouldn't have it any other way.
Where do you see yourself 5 years from today? What type of vision do you have? What type of destination do you have for your life? I want you to imagine a GPS system. When you put in a destination, it shows you how to get there. It gives you the directions to get to your destination. While your mind, body, and soul works the same way. If you don't have a destination for your life, you're just drifting through life, taking whatever life gives you. You're not a creator. You're not creating in your life. You're taking handouts. You're like a ship in the sea without a rudder. Wherever you end up in life, that's where you end up. That is your end result, because you have no vision. See, vision is not something that you just see with your two eyes. Vision is what you feel in your heart when you think about your dream. That desire that pumps through you, that desire that pumps through your whole being. The reason why your heart beats for you. You don't gotta think about your heart beating, your heart just beats. Who will you become What type of life do you want to experience? What type of person are you willing to become in order for you to manifest that vision? Your vision must be so massive that it must make you feel uncomfortable. When you share your vision with others, they must think you're crazy. You must find the reason why you exist. You must search your whole entire life if that's the case. You must search for your purpose. Why are you here on this earth? You must find the reason why you have life. And when you find the reason why you have life, you must create a massive vision. A vision that inspires you. A vision that motivates you. A vision that will give you a reason to wake your ass up early in the morning. A vision that will give you a reason to grind every single day. How bad do you really want an extraordinary life? What are you willing to do in order for you to experience that vision? You must understand how powerful your thoughts and your emotions are. Your thoughts and emotions are like Wi-Fi. See, you can't see Wi-Fi, but it works. You can't touch Wi-Fi, but it allows you to connect with someone across the world. Now, just because you can't see Wi-Fi does not mean it does not exist. Now, your vision, you may not be able to touch your vision, you may not be able to see your vision in reality, but I want you to know that your mind, your body and soul is manifesting your vision based on the energy you give to that vision. You must take ownership of your life. You must take ownership of your dream, of your passion, of your desire. It must become real within you first before it shows up in reality. You must understand that you are a co-creator. You must understand that you are a manifester. That you, based on what you think, based on your beliefs, based on your faith, will determine what you manifest in your life. What type of life do you want to have? Who will you become?